Cocoa is not just another crop. This is one crop that fed the nation for years. It was a major revenue source for our country. And now we're bringing to you something very, very amazing. Welcome to Providence Farm Resort here in Anigbado, Abeokuta. This is one project that people have been asking after. So right here at Providence Farm City and Film Village, we're bringing you something really amazing. This is a C of O project, so you have your mind rest assured for security's sake. And also right here, we're not just going to be farming, we're going to be farming and also managing your farm for you. So we provide a 24/7 security for you, a farm insurance for those of you that are asking about insurance, and also a water irrigation system on your farm. Providence is here to help you from cultivation down to harvest. So this is what Providence Farm City Resort looks like, and I'm going to be showing you something really amazing here. We have a luxury resort going to be seated right here in this place where people can come have fun. We also have what we call a film city. This is Abeokuta, where we have so many celebrities that want to have something to experience for themselves. We also have what we call the country home, and after then we have what we call the cashew cluster. The green part of this is the cashew cluster. Right here is our cocoa cluster. You can see that this is the biggest part of this layout because this is our major focus right here at Providence Farm City. This is a cocoa city, and what we are trying to do with all this part that you see here, the luxury, the film city, the country home, is actually to add value to what you have here. So if you're buying this place, you are rest assured that whatever you're putting your money into would definitely appreciate in the long run. With an initial deposit of 1.2 million, you can be part of this amazing project right here. This is not just another farm. This is Providence Farm City Resort and Film Village. For more information, call the number on your screen below this video.